If you're here, you may have a scenario like this where you have part of your playhead selected for some reason and you didn't mean to do it, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of it. All you have to do is right-click over that grayed out area and go to Clear In and Out. There it is, all gone. You probably hit X on your keyboard, which creates a selected area, and that was a mistake, and that's all you did. So if you do that again in the future, just know, right-click, Clear In and Out, and you're good to go. I hope this helped, and if it did, please check out my playlist in Premiere where I troubleshoot all sorts of other issues you may run into. Thanks for watching.